Hello, in this video we're going to be going over the amare, toda, vida, violin 2. Before we for mariachi advance period 4, a couple things before we begin. Just like I said on violin 1, we have 3 flats. B flat, which is low 1, E flat, 3 and 4 touching, A flat, 3 and 4 touching, and there's a lot of accidentals. So keep in mind and watch out for those. It is a Javier Solis song, so these arrangements are quite detailed. So starting with the beginning, here we go. In the beginning, we're going to have a double movement right here. So you're going to be playing the F and A flat. The C, D, I want to aviate it, so it's going to be below, so you'll be able to land that G on time. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Next part. 3, 4, 1. And then we're going to repeat that, and we're going to skip the second time the first ending and go straight to the second ending. Now, we have 4 notes here. So I'm going to be splitting second parts into different parts. So right now what I just played, was the top part with the A flat. The second time, I'm going to be adding the bottom part, which is the F. So if you were assigned the top part, you will be playing what you did the first time. Second, for both those of you that were playing the bottom, this is your part coming up right now. Here we go, section 1 again. 3, 4, 1. That was with the second ending. Next part we're going to do is unison, so we're all together, starting with these slurs. So here we go after the 2 bar. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four bar rest. 3, 4, 1. 1. In the next part, we're going to have 3 notes slurred, 2 notes, and then 2 notes. We're going to go over this part slowly because it's one of the most complex parts in the song. So here we go really slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. We'll do that again. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Next part. 3, 4, 1. And then that leads us to the beginning. I decided to aviate that bottom part, which is going to sound more rich. So when we go and break down to chords, it'll have more feel to it. Now we're going to go over the ending. Same thing. This C right here, we're going to do aviate. This is going to be down, down, and then so forth. So here we go. 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or if you're a top violin, you're going to be doing an A natural there. So 2, 3, 4, 2. And that's where we get that minor 6.